Alright, welcome back guys with part 3 of this Open Your DJI mini unboxing. I have no idea how to do this. I just opened the zipper here. It's not doing much. So I guess you have to open the main zipper that's all the way up here. It's a little bit counterintuitive, but that's okay so long as everything else is in the box. Or in the bag in this case. Wow, look at how many stickers this thing has. I did not expect it to have that many stickers on it. But this is the famous strap here that holds the blades together. Oh my gosh, this is so small. I did not expect these blades and the whole thing to be this small. Fits, yeah, it's pretty much the size of my hand, even smaller than the size of my hand. And I'm not a giant, so that's impressive. Hopefully it flies as impressively as it looks. And this is the remote obviously over here. And looks like, look at that, they're roughly the same size, these two things over there. What else do we have? We've got probably the instruction manuals in here. And a bunch of accessories over here. And I guess this is so that you can mount different things. The C ports for certain phones, and this is for Android. I hope they have a lightning port there for me somewhere, because otherwise my iPhone 5s or iPhone 6s are not going to do me a whole lot of good. There's an extra one of these in there. Let's see. This should be the battery charger. It's all sealed perfectly from the factory, I would imagine. There's nothing else in there. Okay, cool. So I guess there's a QR code there that I'm going to have to scan. That's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick unboxing, and the next one I will unseal these things here and see what we've got. Thanks for watching.